Now we're going to add our next ingredient, which is water. It's very important that this is filtered water or bottled water. You want to use high quality water. Also, again, you want to use a liquid measuring cup, not a dry measuring cup. So I'm going to get down and measure this. We need 1/3 cup of water. I'm going to check it. And it is 1/3 cup. Now we're going to slowly add this to the pumpkin. Again, if you add it fast, it's going to end up all over the floor and all over the table and all over you, which isn't a great thing. We need it in the pumpkin bread. Okay, you need to really stir it from the bottom. Make sure that it's all in there. You can see how the edges are a bit watery. You're going to incorporate that into the bottom and all throughout the mixture. Do you see how it's turning creamy? Perfect.